how about we all drive around? Whoa, get me out of here. Oh my God, I didn't even realize what was happening. All right, I still want to be part of the game, guys. All right, check this out. Wee woo. God! Oh my God! I just ran him over. I flattened him. Oh no! No! Bart, stop! You're driving reckless. Oh, you're driving so reckless. Here's another car. Why does that keep happening? Oops. All right, someone can drive that. Yahoo! Whoa! Careful, little guy. Whoa, get me out of here. I spawned too many. Yeah, we in the whip. Whoa! Ah! What did that happen to? He was so excited about being in the car. Whoa, where's he going? Ah! Yeah, we on the whip. Whoa! I swear I did not do that to him. I wanted him to have fun.